Hi friends, I know you've been subjected to a lot of mental torture by many content creators. They have been expressing a lot of opinion about the tax law. Some correct, some wrong, some outrightly lies and all. It's a lot of pressure and I feel your pain, I feel your apprehension. But you don't need to worry too much about all those things. The law is already written. Just look for copies online, read them. If you don't understand them, copy part of it, throw it into ChatGPT, tell it to explain it to you like a toddler. You will understand at least, so you'll be able to sieve from all this content creation and lies going about. However, I'm not going to lie to you. There is going to be enforcement. If you owe taxes before now, it is in your best interest to clean it before 31st December 2025, because come 2026 January 1st, there will be enforcement. The enforcement regime will kick in. Let me tell you what the law says about enforcement. Section 57 of the Nigerian Tax Administration Act gives FRS the power to ask you to bring your documents, meaning your bank statements, your general ledger, your trial balance, all documents. They have the power to request for them, to see, to check. Remember, you are the one that will have told them, this is my record, this is what I made, and this is the taxes I'm supposed to pay. So when they are doing their check, they now have the power to request for all documents. It's in the law. You cannot refuse not to give them. So if they suspect that you are not forthcoming, bringing your documents to them, Section 58 gives them the power to come to your office or your warehouse or wherever your business is running. They have the right to enter there, right, and do their inspection. So you have to understand the extent of power that the tax authorities now have, And Section 61 gives them the power to distrain. What this means is that they can lock up your offices, they can lock up your warehouse, they can lock up anywhere you are operating from until you pay the taxes you owe. After they have come to a conclusion on the amount of money you owe, and you have not been able to contest or refute the assessment, the law gives them the power to retrieve these tax debts. And part of it is that they can instruct your bank to lien the amount of taxes you owe in your bank account. So if you have a certain amount of money in the bank, they will instruct the bank. By law, the bank is compelled to release your tax debt to them. So I know you've heard these stories of they are going to seize your bank account, blah, 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 blah. No, that's not that is not just going to be straight like that. It's almost at the tail end of enforcement. So I do not think anybody will wait until the tax authorities do that. There's a lot of process, as I've been listing it to you and mentioning the relevant part of the law. So, but if you refuse to do the needful, they will take the option, which is trying to take the money from your bank account, including also trying to prosecute you if they deem fit. So the law is here, right? There's no need to allow people without knowledge of the law to cause you panic. What you need to do is to straighten up your books, check and be sure that you are all right and you have no tax you are owing, so that there is no problem. If you take it from me, if you have outstanding taxes you have not paid, if you have not filed your company returns, a lot of you are in this instance. If you have not done it, it's not a cause, it's not a bad wish. By January you know that you are counting time. At some point, enforcement will caught up with you. So I'm going to advise you, reach out to your tax consultants. If you want to talk to me, you book a session with me. Then we can look at where you are, analyze it, and make sure we get this sorted out. Thank you.